Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Fanduel. Two-factor authentication is a security feature on Fanduel that can help protect your account from unauthorized access. If you need to disable two-factor authentication, there are a few simple steps to follow. First, log into your Fanduel account, then go to the settings page. Now look for the security tab and click on it. And in security tab, you will find two-factor authentication. Under two-factor authentication, select disabled. Then once you have completed all of the steps above, you will have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your account. The security code will no longer be required when logging into your account. It's important to remember to protect your account in other ways, such as setting up a strong password. This will help to ensure that your account remains secure. For turning off the two-factor authentication in your account, it might ask for your password of your Fanduel account, or you can go through a verification process that you yourself turning off the two-factor authentication in your Fanduel account. So be ready with your password and any other security questions. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.